fucking Tesla, my favorite. Yay! I wonder if he has a generator in his trunk. We're gonna drop to third fucking center. Dude, get the fuck out of the goddamn way. What's wrong with you, asshole? What's going on, everybody? SRT Boost here. We are going for a highway drive. Yes, that's right, a highway drive in the Turbo Challenger. Oh, look at that. We can even merge. Oh, is that a little Porsche there? Maybe he wants to go at it? No, I don't know. Yeah. Drive it too slow. What's this? Kia Stinger. Toboggan! That's not true. They're actually pretty quick. They're a fun car. A buddy of mine had one. Don't think he has it anymore. Had one for a little while. It was pretty nice. Beautiful inside too. Like, really, really nice. For a fucking Kia, I was like, wow, that is impressive. Anyways, what's going on with everybody? How you all doing? It's raining again. Can you believe it? Because I can, because every fucking video I make is now officially in the fucking rain. Again, can't stress this enough. Rear mount turbo in the rain. I mean, it's doing good. You know what? It's probably got enough pipe because this car is like 16 plus feet long, whatever the fuck it is. Anyway, so I'm sure the water evaporates by the time it gets up anywhere close to that motor. So, oh, this is kind of an opening. I gotta kind of possibly take it easy around this area because cops like to hide. Little bit of time. Little bit of time to get up there. Maybe get around some of these fucking dingleberries. Fucking rule followers. Hells yeah. Thank you, fine sir. Jeff's Towing. It is very, very generic, but to the point, and I totally understand and respect that. Okay, let's see. Anybody see? Cops usually hide right the fuck there on that driveway. Had a little itch on my nose. That's where they like to hide. So you fly down that hill we just went down. And boom! On the radar. Laser. Whatever the hell it is. You're on it. And you're not coming off it. So same on the other side too. Back there. Like if you're coming up this way. And then they started also hiding. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yes, don't worry. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. So yeah, there's kind of like a sign right there. I don't know if you guys can make it out or not. Anyway, they kind of hide like just past it where that post is. So again, coming down that nice hill. Just, hey guys, going to work. You know, just gonna cruise in, have some fun, you know, drive a little faster, and boop, you got a ticket. Hooray for miracles. Yeah, I must say the car's driving very well. Never really get to hammer this thing on the highway that often. And I mean, the highway is the place to do it because, well, you're supposed to drive fast on the highway. Probably not that fast, but fast. It's a nice truck. Oh my god, is that the sun coming out? Wow, that's fucking awesome. Never thought I'd see the day. I'm starting to forget what it looked like, to be honest. Is this Stinger really following me? You feeling frisky, Stinger? Forgot I was in fourth. Oops. Yeah, that's right. I only have 5 gears in this car. Can you believe it? So that's why sometimes to dump a whole gear, oh, look. The sharky's out. Look at the shark. Look. Yes. The shark, as the crash test code calls it. Oh my god. Everybody just fucking slowing right down. I guess they don't realize that he's not gonna jump over all the concrete barriers to come and get him or them. That didn't put that one and one together. Anywho, is there nobody in front of this fucking chooch? Oh, of course there's someone in front of him. It's a fucking Tesla, my favorite. Yay. I wonder if he has a generator in his trunk. Fucking gas-powered generator. That's funny. Hang on, guys. I just gotta plug my car in with my generator because I ran out. Nope. Telling you, it's going to be hydrogen. That is going to be the way of the future. Especially if you can convert your own car and run it on that, in which case it's been proven, I'm almost certain that you can. That'd be pretty awesome. Horsepower gains are insane as well, so that would be very interesting. Running boost with a hydrogen style motor. Huh. What could possibly go wrong? Hopefully nothing. Well, this was a great idea. Going on the highway, just great. Everybody's driving the exact same goddamn speed. Oh, come on, the turbo one, he just wants to spool up and just go. So the guy moves out of the way. That means you can locate where your gas pedal is, also known as a throttle, and push the fucking thing down. Or move. Moving is always great too. Instead of being a selfish taint hair. You guys ever heard that saying before? What a taint is? Taint your ass, taint your balls. It's a taint. Well, I find that funny. Jesus, man. Wow, it's crazy. It's almost like the sun is poking out. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Well, this is ass. I brought you guys on the highway to go fast and stuck behind Bojangles over here. or two and we'll see what happens. It's okay. I mean, you still got to listen to me talk and the sound of the car and or other fun, things like, cloudy day. And, oh, the sun kind of poking out as well. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Lord of mercy. Dude, get the fuck out of the goddamn way. What's wrong with you, asshole? Alright. I'm about to pass this guy and this fucking Nissan's gotta cut in here. Like, really? Like, really? Like, really, really? What movie is that from? Can't remember. Jesus. And yes, I'm answering my own questions. That's great. It's great for the camera. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We're gonna drop to third fucking center. That Stinger tried to keep up. I just dumped third into fourth. It's not happening, pal. It is not happening. You are messing with a wolf in sheepskin. But A for effort. That was a good rip. See, it was worth it to continue watching, guys. Look at that. It got a rip. Turbo is just singing. Hells yeah. Oh, I just realized the battery on this little guy here. He's, my camera controller is, telling me he's almost dead. So, well, it's either that or it's my camera. One or the other. Oh shit, you know what? It might be the camera battery. Also could be because it's hot as balls in here. I'm not gonna lie, I completely forgot there's air conditioning. But it also slows you down. I mean, when you're also running this kind of power, it's not gonna make that much of a fucking difference. Okay, well, I'm not gonna sit behind these fucking dinks again. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, just get the fuck out of the goddamn way. Yep, there you go. Okay. This guy's just fucking dying to race me. Oh, that's exciting. That's fucking exciting. Oh, he was trying. He was trying. He kind of got a little bit lost in time. Looks good though. Looks nice. Oh, well, that was fun, guys. That was fun. Lots and lots and lots. Oh yeah, I got my own lane here. Forgot. Oh, not anymore. Looks like there's a little truck de concrete. Oh yeah. That's a big union job there. 20 people standing around with shovels and 2 guys digging. Hey, you can't disagree. Come on, that's funny. Even you union workers out there, you know that's funny. Okay, I don't give a shit. I'm on jobs like that too, and we get a kick out of it as well. So you're just missing a coffee in your hand, but you're getting paid for it. That's the Come get some. Oh, fuck, what the hell is that little thing there? It's an SRT4. What the hell are those cars called again? A caliper or fucking something? I want to fucking give them a little blow-off valve. Cool. I think that's a little bit right around my generation of car as well. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the highway run. And run we did, with the exception of being behind end or stuck behind that goddamn Cadillac. It was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Or don't like it, but preferably like it. Because you'd be nice. You'd be nice by liking it. And if you didn't like it, that's kind of not nice. But I still respect it. It's all good. Doesn't matter to me. Anywho, we will see you guys next time. SRT Boost signing off. Take care. Brush your hair.